In this video, I wanted to take you on a bit of behind the scenes. So at the moment, I'm 30 weeks pregnant. I'm sort of starting to get into a bit of a nesting phase and I want to work on my office. So at the moment, it feels a little bit messy. I've got this bag just full of random bits at the side of my desk that is for recording things, you know, like lighting, stuff like that. And I feel like things are a little bit all over the place. I've even got a trampoline in the middle of the room for the kids to jump on. So at the moment we're in a smaller house because we're getting ready to basically build our dream home. So because this house is a little bit smaller, it can sometimes feel like we're trying to fit a lot in a small space. So at the moment I've got baby stuff all in a corner and I need to basically rearrange this room so that I've got a section of the room for baby stuff and I've also got a section that is completely separate as my office. So it doesn't feel like everything's just sort of mixed on top of each other, but it feels like the office part has a separate space. So I'm basically going to be moving my desk over near the window and we're just going to organize things better, also try and make it a bit more baby safe, so less bits and pieces lying around, organize things better. So I thought I'd take you along as I tidy this all up and then give you a bit of a studio tour as such once we're all finished. Now before getting into all this organizing, I just got an exciting parcel showed up from Canva because I got accepted into their Canvassador program. So let's have a look, let's do some unboxing and see what Canva has sent. As you can see, I got some cool little treats from Canva here and I'm excited to be part of this Canvassador program because it means that I get a little bit more insider information about what's coming up, what's new, so that I'm able to share more with you on how to use Canva and knowing what new features there are as well to help you with creating your designs. All right, let's get into organizing this office now. I feel like I've reached that point now where there's just stuff everywhere and there is no turning back. We need to get this done, but I do not have a lot of energy. Being pregnant, trying to do this is hard. Even though I'm getting help, I still feel really tired, but I'm gonna have to do it because I've committed now and there's a mess and we've got to keep going. As you can see, I got it all done. It took a bit of time. I had to just do little bits every day, just work towards it because I couldn't really do too much all at once. But I finally got it all organized, and it feels really good to have this separate office space. Things aren't all messy and intertwined. It feels like everything's nice and clean, well organized, and I have a nice little office space. Also, it's been really enjoyable having it right near the window because I can look out at the trees as I'm working. So I'm finding that's just really nice, just having that ability just to look out the window as I work. That's something I really enjoy. The only thing I still need to work out is exactly what the best spot will be for recording videos like this. At the moment, as you can see, the window's over here, so it's hitting my face just on one side. And where I was doing video before, I was basically facing directly at the window, so it was, just the sun straight on me. So I've still got to work out exactly what would be the best location for video and how to set that up, whether I need to set up another light source or something like that. But other than that, I'm feeling really good about the update and just having this nice little bit of studio space and separating it from all the other stuff in this room. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing a little bit of a behind the scenes and also seeing the area where I work.